The living area is quite spacious, right? Kitchen area here, quite spacious and very hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm standing in front of a beautiful property called Visista by Vista Spaces located in Judicial Layout in Yelahanka. And before I give you more details about this project, let's find out a little about Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with your developers, thus giving you the project at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from your brokers. Since Housey directly connects home buyers or developers, you can avail this project directly from the developer by registering with us with Housey. You see all this greenery out here. This is a part of Visista by Vista Spaces. If you book your dream home here, this is what you're going to get. This property is spread across a land parcel of 4.37 acres. It consists of about 4 towers with a total of 236 units. Each of these towers have your ground floor plus 15 floors, and this lovely property is located in Judicial Layout in Yelahanka. Visista by Vista Spaces is located in Judicial Layout in Yelahanka. And to find out more about the connectivity, this property is located about 20 kilometers from the Kempegowda International Airport, about 1.5 kilometers from the Mall of Asia, less than 2 kilometers from Pro Life Hospital, and less than 2 kilometers from Mall of Galleria. And talking about the amenities, this property has close to 25 plus amenities, which includes your indoor gym, playground for the kids, you have a cricket pitch, you have when it comes to sustainability, you have your EV charging points and little playground for your kids and a lot more. I'm sure you've liked this property by Vista Spaces so far. Hi, so right now I'm standing in front of Visista by Vista Spaces. This is the 3 BHK model apartment. Come, let's have a look at it now. Now this, as you can see as you enter, is your gorgeous foyer space. Yeah, foyer area. It's nicely done up. The nice little setup here. As you move forward, you will see the living area. It's quite spacious, right? And then you have your dining area connected right next to it. There's enough space between the living area and the dining area. Accommodates a nice large television right here. And your cupboard spaces. And also, one of the first things that I notice here is how spacious and well lit it is. You know, there's a lot of natural light coming from the balcony. But before that, let me take you through the kitchen area. Come. As you can see, the nice kitchen area here accommodates your refrigerator and then cabinets in the bottom. You can have more cabinets in the top as well to utilize more space. This also extends up to your utility area. As you can see, I'll take you through it. Utility area with the sink over here and nice platform and storage space available here for your dishwasher. And this also extends up to your maid's room with an attached bathroom for the maid as well. Now I'll take you to the balcony area, as you can see. So one of the favorite things I like about Visista by Vista Spaces is this nice cozy balcony area done up in such nice natural material and colors. It gives you a feeling like you're sitting in the balcony of a nice resort somewhere in the outskirts of Karnataka, doesn't it? It's gorgeous, it's cozy, it's very nice. Now let's move to the bedrooms. I will take you through the first bedroom of this property. Come, let's have a look at it. You have the first bedroom here. You have a nice space here, accommodates 2 bunk beds for the kids. It has a nice long study table to accommodate 2 children. cupboard space here to store their interior. Separate cupboard spaces for both the kids here and one over there, and a nice long dressing mirror. And you have certain cabinets here which can be used as your storage space as well. And this also opens up to nice windows here with a nice view outside. And you also have an open bathroom here, common bathroom that's shared by all. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom. Come follow me. To the second bedroom. Wow, this bedroom is actually quite spacious. It can be used as a guest bedroom as well, or bedroom for your senior citizens. I like how it has a nice view of the space outside, nice large windows, comfortably accommodates a nice queen size bed, enough space for your side tables, enough space here which can be used as a bookshelf, a dressing shelf, etc. And also there's a plenty of space here to accommodate more furniture if you'd like. And you have your wardrobe space here. This also opens up to a nice spacious attached bathroom. So this was our second bedroom, and now I'm going to take you to the master bedroom. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom of Visista by Vista Spaces. Before that, let's find out what Housey can do for us. Housey can give you a 360 virtual tour of the project. Housey can give you an actual location tour, a tour of the sample flat. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing the project. Housey will also give you more details of your down payment options available, EMI options available to purchase the project. And if you still like this project and you want to go ahead and book a free site visit, click on the link below. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom. Wow, this is quite spacious and very comfy. I like how they have so nicely done up the whole space. The interiors also match with the view that you have outside. Accommodates a nice queen size bed. You have nice table area here to accommodate your belongings. You have a nice view outside. See, a nice view outside. I like how they've done up the interiors. It completely matches with the view that you have outside. And you have a nice cozy spot here where you can put your easy chair or something that's comfortable. You can sit down, read a book. And this also accommodates two large wardrobes here. And also you have this extension here of your bathroom or your shower area. Quite spacious and nice. And this spot here can also double up as a dressing area if you put in like a nice large mirror and your dressing table. Overall, I like how they've utilized the space. This master bedroom is perfect. I'm sure you've loved the property Visista by Vista Spaces so far. If you've loved this property, you can book a free site visit by registering with us at Housey, and you can also click on the link below and download the e-brochure for more details. And if you've liked this video so far and want to see more such videos of such beautiful properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Visista by Vista Spaces located in Yelahanka.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.